Hey guys, I wanted to share with you guys today an unboxing of this pet food and environmental intolerance testing kit. So basically this is an allergy testing kit. We got this off of Chewy.com. I will leave a link below. But I know, especially where we live this time of year, like our dog has allergies, so we thought we would try this out, and I just wanted to do an unboxing in case you were interested in picking this up. This was, I think it was like $120 something. Again, I'll leave the exact link below, but it comes in a box like this, and you know, this is just the back of the box in case you're interested in this. So this is basically the way it works is you order the kit, well, we ordered it through Chewy, and then they send you this box, and then you basically take a hair sample. I think this is for horses too, for dog, cat, or horse, and then you send it in, and then they email you the results, which is kind of cool. So it says it detects 300 food and environmental intolerances, so that's pretty cool. So let me just open this up. So when you first open it up, these are the instructions that it comes with. So basically, you fill out the postcard that it comes with, and then you put the hair sample into the little pouch that it gives you, and then you fill out the information, and then you seal it in the bag and then mail it off, and then they basically email you the results by email, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so in terms of an unboxing, so this is the little baggie that it comes with. So it comes with this bag and this little, what is this, like a little baggie as well. And this is where you can mail it off to, and they do include a stamp, which is nice, but I am actually going to be printing off a label online to this exact address so I can get tracked shipping, because I would just feel more comfortable doing that, and I don't mind spending, what is it, like I think $2 or $3 for track shipping. That way I don't have to like worry about it or think about it. So yeah, so comes with that as well. And then this is the postcard, and I would show you the other side, but it has like personal information. So it basically asks you, I think, your name, your email, your address, and I think your dog's or your pet's name, and then I think it was the birth date, and then your email. So you send it off with that, and then here is just a little like a little comb, I guess, to make it easier to clip the hair sample. So yeah, so all in all, super easy process. I'm going to be shipping out the hair sample, I think tomorrow. I want to print out the label today and then just run to the post office and ship it out tomorrow. And here's my dog's hair in case you're interested. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to put it in here, and I think the instructions say to write your dog's name with the permanent marker on this anti-static bag. So that's pretty cool. So yes, I'm also going to be doing a follow-up video about basically like what the actual results were. So in case you're interested in that as well, definitely stay tuned for that. But for now, I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing, and I guess like, well, I can't really give like an exact review of like how the results are going to be, but you know, just like an unboxing and like a preliminary review, in case you're interested in picking this up. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.